welcome back to another elevator tour. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Cortex Elevators HQ building. So let's get on. This first elevator is a vehicle elevator, and fortunately is only on for staff only elevator. So we're not gonna take a ride on it. It's a shame, but yeah. So let's move on to the next. The next elevator we have is that goes to parking levels, and these are otis.
Going down.
P3. That view is very luxury.
Going up.
Let's go to L and move on to the next otis elevator. Here we are at L.
Going down.
Let's move on to the next elevator, which is also
Going down.
elevator number 2. Another otis elevator. P3. Basement is locked. Here we are at P3.
Going up.
Let's go to L and move on to the next lift. And here we are at L.
Going down.
And let's move on to the next elevator. Before we go to the main elevators, let's go to the express elevator, which is a Schindler lift. Let's go to the roof. Can be very nice. And these are fast elevators too. And here we are at the roof. Let's go to lobby. Look at that. It goes all floors, which is very interesting. Here we are at the lobby. Let's move on to the next one. And finally, we have these cortex elevators with destination dispatch.
Select your destination. Take car. Please scan access card. 1, 2, 3.
Let's take a different destination card.
Select your destination. Take car. Please scan access card. 1, through, 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 through. You have selected handicap mode of operation. Please press again when you hear your destination. 1, through, 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 through.
Okay.
20.
Elevator A.
Okay. Let's now run. And this is a lot of speed elevator. Khaki is very nice. And after that, we're gonna take it out and
And I'll end the video here.
again, these are destination dispatch elevators.
You have selected handicap mode of operation. Please press again when you hear your destination. 1. Through. 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 Through.
Let's go now. And now. And that's gonna be it for the lift tours of the Cortex HQ building. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe for more elevators tours like this. So, anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.